This is, if you like, a bigger and better version of the courses that you currently study, so the work that you've done in year 7 and 8. This will be a bigger, better, more in-depth version of that. So it is a GCSE course. It's assessed 50% exam, so a written exam to fit in line with the other traditional exams that you would do, and then also 50% controlled assessment. A controlled assessment is a design activity, developing ideas, making a prototype or a final product, and you have quite a bit of choice in relation to the topic that you choose for that. So when you choose product design, we're looking for people who like solving problems. We don't expect you to have all the answers, but you've got to have that willingness to want to look at a design problem, think outside the box, be creative, think of a new solution. The smaller projects that you'll initially do will focus on CAD, so computer-aided design, SolidWorks, 2D design. They'll focus on CAM, computer-aided manufacture, so using some of the wonderful equipment we've got in school, sticker cutters, laser cutters, 3D printers. You will also do some programming of electronic circuits, simulating software, developing those circuits to suit your need and so on. So that'll be a series of short projects. As you progress through the course, you will learn the core content, which is the theory. Now, as you develop through the course, you can then choose how you answer or solve the main design problem in year 11, and you can play to your own strengths. So you'd have a chat with whoever your teacher is, and they might say, well, we think we could solve this with an electronics project. We might solve it with a more graphics or a woodwork-based project. So there is a little bit of freedom there. Now, everyone asks with technology, is it all practical? The answer to this one is no. We put as much in as we can, but there is a good balance with this one between theory, written work, and the practical side of things. So we need those people who are willing to work with both. You don't have to be naturally gifted at drawing, just have the creative thinking to solve those problems. Once you finish the course, where can you go with it? Well, lots of college courses. We're lucky in this area. There's Scarborough Tech, there's UTC. You could go to any of those and further your creative career in these subjects. If you haven't yet made up your mind which one you want to specialise in, it's a good course to do because it keeps your options a little bit open for future careers and future jobs. Future jobs could be anything from trades such as electricians, plumbers, but it could also be product designers, engineers, software developers, so it does really keep your options open.